Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today's our topic, how to change drawing unit in Autodesk Inventor. Firstly we have to draw a sketch, so click on part. Start 2D sketch, select a plane where we want to draw a sketch. Now uh, let's draw a sketch. Go to line, click, let's draw a sketch, normal, okay. Now go to dimension tool and dimension it. Now you can see our dimension in inch, so we want to change in millimeter. Okay, now go to tool and go to document setting, click on units, and now length select on millimeter, time second, and angle degree. Okay, mass we want in kilograms. Okay, now linear dimension precision 1:1 and angular also 1:1. Apply and close. Now you can see our dimension in millimeter, and you can see here also our dimension is now in millimeter. Okay, hope you understand today's topic. Then please like, share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.